Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Canvas Live here in Dunbrody House. We are doing a Millionaire Chocolate Biscuit Cake Fingers. It's fantastic. It's really good. It's like you love the chocolate biscuit cake. You love Millionaire Caramel Chocolate Biscuit. So we're combining the two together and getting something really special. So we're going to start off by making our caramel. It's really, really simple to do. So we're going to put in our pot a little bit of sugar and butter, and then a little bit of the caramel condensed milk. So you want to consistently stir that. See this way it's coming together into a nice caramel. Well, that's happening here in this bowl here. So you've got this is making the chocolate biscuit cake. So you've got some water under there. In the bowl here, we've got dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and butter. Okay, so let's see, that milk chocolate you have has got some Rice Krispies in it, is it?
Definitely.
Is it, Julian?
It's Easter.
It's Easter, yeah. That's all mixed together and melted. You got digestive biscuits. We're just going to crush those up into it. You've got a combination of Maltesers, Smarties and marshmallows. Take that off the heat. Mix that together. Okay, so I've just got a long tart tin actually. And I've just lined it with cling film. And just spread that out. Okay, and then you've got your caramel. Just pour that over top. And then that can go into your fridge. And just let it set. And we've got one done already. Then we've melted down some milk chocolate here. And we're going to pour milk chocolate over the whole lot. The spread. Oh, this is looking good, isn't it? Okay, and then we've got some white chocolate. Just kind of squiggle it. And then just get some candied Easter eggs, put them over top. And then just because it's Easter, we're going to put in a few bits of thing. And then pop that in your fridge, let it set, but just to show you what it looks like. Boom, look at that. Look at beauty. There you go. Millionaires chocolate caramel, Millionaires chocolate biscuit cake, whatever you want to call it, it's perfect for Easter.